Extended detention pond restoration. A development's detention pond is designed to collect, store, and treat runoff from pavement and rooftops. These stormwater control measures are required by regulation to slow and clean stormwater, matching historical release rates to collect the development's own waste. When maintenance is deferred, these basins lose their water quality and flood prevention functions, falling out of regulatory compliance and pushing drainage issues onto downstream neighbors. Restoring a neglected pond eventually requires removing large amounts of sediment and vegetation, which can be costly and disruptive to the local habitat. Routine maintenance is the most cost-effective approach. By removing sediment, trash, and debris early and often from forebays and trickle channels where it is easiest to remove, you prevent overgrowth and protect the pond's intended function. Skipping this maintenance allows sediment to fill the basin and raise the pond bottom, often requiring a full survey and redesign at significant expense. If routine maintenance has been deferred and restoration is necessary, we follow a systematic approach to return the asset to water quality standards. Our stormwater engineer assesses the current condition against original drainage drawings to determine how to restore functionality and ensure the pond is maintainable moving forward. Whether the pond is restored to its original design or requires a modern redesign, we provide a clear maintenance plan to prevent the need for future restoration. A new or newly restored pond presents a critical opportunity to establish a routine maintenance plan. Without consistent care, functionality will decline, eventually leading to much larger expenses.